Good morning, everyone. Today I want to say who is the most important person in my life and why. So if I talk about my favorite person, myself, I am my favorite for myself. Because of whatever I want to do, we have to do myself. No one is responsible for it. I have some personality. I believe on myself because of I have capability to understand things. I am prudent. I am honest towards my work, and I am hardworking. Whatever I want to do, I have to do with myself. No one is responsible for it because now this time someone encourages you, someone inspires you, but you have to get motivation from yourself. If you are not motivated from yourself, then how can you do your work? If you want to give your 100%, you have to give from yourself. Now, no one is responsible for it because of someone helps to you do in your work. They can help, but they can't do your work. So whatever I have to do, I have to do with myself. So if you believe on yourself, you can do everything, whatever you want to do. So if I talk about myself, I am favorite person for myself. Thank you.